my name is Tatum. I am a guest sewist this month for FabClick Fabric Shop, and I am showing you what just came in the mail with my September solid subscription. So if you don't know what it is, it's once a month they send out a mystery pack of fabric of up to 3 yards of solid colors. So it could be a variation between, 3 1-yard cuts. It could be 1 3-yard cut, anywhere in there. So let's see what I get today. You guys. So this month, September 2020, there are 2 colors and they are so soft. Oh, these are perfect for fall. Can you just, oh, they're so soft and cozy. Let's look at these. Wow. So it's pretty stretchy. I don't know about vertically. So wow, this is a really pretty color. I'm gonna hold it up, see if you can see it better. It's like somewhere between like a rust and the bronze, or I don't know. It's not orange and it's not mustard. This is really pretty fall color. Kind of reminds me of the leaves changing. And then there's this other one, this maroon, which, oh, it really is so pretty and soft. And again, it's got some good stretch to it. So I don't remember if I said, I think this is a Hachi sweater knit. I am thinking I've got a good tunic sweater that I'm gonna give it a shot with, or you could do a cardigan. Let's see. Line these up together and see about length. I think they are 2 1.5-yard cuts. Don't quote me on that. I will go up and measure them, but they are the same length. So I'm really excited to get creating, and I'm also really excited for fall sweater weather. Oh, who's a pumpkin spice person? It's totally me. I'm totally that person. All right. Yay. Thank you.